Welcome, creators. Let's talk about something far more valuable than a viral video. Let's talk about building something that lasts. A channel that doesn't just attract viewers, but builds an audience. A community that trusts you, returns to you, and grows with you. Today, I'm going to share with you a framework I call the Creator's Compass. This isn't about shortcuts. It's about building a sustainable, meaningful path for your channel, guided by 4 true north principles. If you're ready to move beyond the noise and build a legacy, you're in the right place. The first point on our compass is clarity of vision. Before you ever hit record, you need to know what your channel stands for. And this must be visually undeniable from the very first moment someone encounters your content. Think of your visual identity as the uniform of your brand. It's how people recognize you in a crowded feed. This goes beyond just making pretty thumbnails. It's about creating a cohesive visual language. Your color palette, your font choices, your style of imagery, they should all whisper the same message about who you are and what value you provide. When a viewer sees your thumbnail, they shouldn't just see a topic. They should feel the tone and quality of your channel. This visual consistency builds subconscious trust. It tells the algorithm and the audience that you are organized, professional, and here for the long haul. It turns casual viewers into familiar guests. So, choose your visual elements with intention and apply them with discipline across every single piece of content you create. Now, you've captured their eye with clarity. The next critical point on the compass is the irresistible hook. You have mere seconds, sometimes less than one, to convince a viewer that the next few minutes of their life are better spent with you than scrolling away. This isn't about loud noises or clickbait. That erodes trust. This is about immediately presenting a compelling promise. Start by identifying the core frustration, desire, or curiosity of your viewer. Your opening line must speak directly to that. You can pose a provocative question, state a surprising fact, or confidently present the transformative result they will get by watching. The key is to align your promise with the authentic value your video delivers. The hook is your handshake. It must be firm, confident, and lead directly into the substance of your conversation. It's not a separate trick. It's the compelling opening chapter of your story. Which leads us to the third point on the creator's compass, architectural engagement. A great hook brings them in, but a great structure makes them stay. Think of your video not as a rambling monologue, but as a carefully designed journey. You are the architect of their attention. After your powerful hook, you must provide a clear roadmap. Tell them, briefly, what you will cover. This sets expectations and gives the mind a framework to follow. Then, build your content in logical, digestible segments. Use visual and auditory signposts, changes in camera angle, subtle sound cues, clear graphics, to signal transitions from one key idea to the next. This rhythm is hypnotic in the best way. It aligns with how our brains process information, reducing cognitive load and increasing retention. The goal is to make the viewer feel guided, not lost. Every edit, every cut, every piece of B-roll should serve the purpose of illuminating your core message, not distracting from it. You are building a path of least resistance for their understanding and enjoyment. All of this, the clarity, the hook, the structure, rests upon the most important, fundamental point of the compass, the foundation of authentic trust. This is the true north. Your channel is not a collection of videos. It is a relationship, and every lasting relationship is built on trust. Authenticity is the currency of the digital age. You cannot fake it long-term. Your viewers are intelligent. They can sense when you are performing versus when you are sharing from a place of genuine knowledge and passion. Trust is built when you consistently deliver on the promise of your titles and thumbnails. It's solidified when you admit what you don't know, when you share lessons from your failures, not just your successes. It grows when you engage with your community not as numbers, but as individuals. Choose topics you are genuinely passionate about teaching. Share stories that resonate with your own experience. Let your unique perspective shine through. This authenticity creates a powerful bond. It transforms viewers into advocates, into subscribers who open every notification, not because of an algorithm, but because of a relationship. This is the engine of long-term, sustainable growth. Virality can be an event, but trust is an ecosystem you cultivate. So, let's bring the creator's compass together. It starts with clarity of vision. your unmistakable visual identity that builds instant recognition. It leverages the irresistible hook, a powerful, honest promise made in the first critical seconds. It's built with architectural engagement, a thoughtfully structured journey that holds attention from start to finish. And all of this is anchored in the foundation of authentic trust, the non-negotiable core of a meaningful channel. This framework is a cycle. Each quality video you create using this compass strengthens your trust, which makes your next hook more powerful, which allows your structure to impact more people, which further refines your visual clarity. This is how you build momentum that compounds over time. Your mission is not to chase trends, but to build a beacon. A beacon so clear in its vision, so compelling in its invitation, so solid in its construction, and so trustworthy in its foundation, that your ideal audience cannot help but find their way to you and decide to stay. This is the work. It requires consistency and a commitment to incremental improvement in every single facet of your craft, your storytelling, your on-screen presence, your editing, your community interaction. But this is the work that builds empires, not just audiences. Now, take this compass, align your next project with these 4 points, and start building not just a channel, but a legacy. I believe in the work you're about to do. Go create something amazing.